Timmy's?
Do it up. Nice. I can't see. Go. Try here. Yum, yum, yum. Ah! My arm's aching.
Your arm's aching.
No?
Any glue?
Yeah, I can't get it. Ah!
She's hard to go.
That was easy. Keep coming.
Oh, we got that one.
Hold on. I better hold on. Okay. Oh, that one where Dad rolled over. That one over there. It's called Slush Puppy. Water, 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 water. At least you're not getting stuck. I've got a podge, look, behind my back.
Just broke the motor.
No, look behind my back. My overalls.
Oh dear.
Podge. It's in your butt. I went to the Chinese restaurant to buy a loaf of bread. I wrapped it up in a £5 note. And this is what I said. My name is Elvis Presley, sitting in the backseat, drinking Pepsi, having a baby in the Royal Navy. Ooh, I lost my blood, living with these women.
You managed to film it?